For today's easy cookie recipe, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious Rocky Road cookies. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of dark cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Whisk until everything is well combined and then set aside. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of softened salted butter, 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar, and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Using a hand mixer or a stand mixer if you prefer, mix this on low for 2 to 3 minutes or until everything is well combined and the butter and sugar is well creamed. Add 1 large room temperature egg as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue mixing on medium-low for another 2 minutes or until everything is well combined and the mixture is nice and light and airy. As always, all of these instructions as well as the full written recipe can also be found down below. Now we can add in our dry ingredients, and we're going to continue mixing this on low until everything is incorporated and no streaks of flour remain. Next, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, as well as 1/2 cup of mini marshmallows that I've cut into smaller pieces so they're easier to mix in. I'm also going to add in 1/4 cup of almond pieces. Now I'm going to use my spatula and I'm going to mix until everything is well combined and all of the chocolate, marshmallows, and almonds are evenly distributed throughout the Rocky Road cookie dough. I'm going to cover and chill this for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight. If chilling overnight, you'll need to let it warm up for about 1 hour. I'm going to use a 1½ tablespoon cookie scoop and drop my cookies onto parchment-lined cookie sheets. You could also drop them by the rounded heaping tablespoonful. Now I'm going to take the remaining 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, and almond pieces. I'm going to add a couple to the top of each cookie. These are going to bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 8 to 9 minutes. Allow them to cool in the pan for a couple of minutes and then move them to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. These Rocky Road cookies are loaded with delicious gooey marshmallows, chocolate chips, and crunchy almond pieces. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and as always, thanks so much for watching.